I'm Derek Slager, CTO and co-founder at Amperity. I'm super excited to launch our new agentic capabilities. Previously, every step of the content creation and campaign strategy and journey building process was completely manual. With agentic capabilities that can be completely automated, which allows our customers to do more than ever before with the same resources. AI has so much potential to deliver amazing personalized experiences, but it's not easy. Building the right context, having the right guardrails, the right safety, and importantly, having the right opportunities for humans to be in the loop is all necessary to bring this to life in a way that actually drives amazing customer experience. Amperity goes deep and solves the hard technical problems that allows you and your creative teams put the right personalized experiences out to the market. What excites me the most about the opportunity here is alignment of incentives. Brands want to serve their customer. Customers want to be served well. And the way it's working today isn't good enough. And we've learned enough about all of the mechanics of what it takes to drive great personalization to know that agentic is finally going to close the gap between what's possible in consumer experience and what can actually be delivered. My best advice to a brand, start now. Many people are waiting around, expecting that somebody else will show them the path. But the people who are experimenting early are already creating unique and differentiated consumer experiences driven by incredible personalization, even in the early days of bringing these agentic capabilities to life. The best brands in the world have invested in building high-quality data foundations and are actively and aggressively experimenting with putting agents out into production that are delivering amazing customer experience today. Agents ultimately will deliver better consumer experience. And as people deploy and utilize agents to deliver that experience, consumer expectations will continue to rise. And so it's critically important to be on the learning journey today, building and deploying and learning the best ways to drive amazing personalization with agents.